Angola. 3 years ago when the Angolans were close and 4-0 up against Mali. Before the final 11 minutes, it ended 4-all. It was one of the great matches. It was one of the great comebacks.
That's good play from Mali. It was Tambura, the left back, and the coach will be discussing that. Played the ball up to Diabate. The flick on was good, and he had a yellow shirt running off him. It's important they do that. Good service up, good support from the front players.
Held up by Seydou Keita. Cross is straightforward really for Daouda Kasséli.
Yeah, but it's going to be hard in the big centre forward because he's such an important player. He can't be standing static. He has to be working. And when he sees a cross coming in, he's got to try and get in front of the goalkeeper, in front of the first defender, make something happen.
Once again, a set piece here. It's gone Niger's way.